Hey everyone, thank you so much for checking out this Hunt's Quick Look video. My name is Josh, and today I'm looking at the brand new TUF TG-7 camera from omsystem. The TUF cameras are some of the most popular and most durable cameras on the market for consumers, offering special features that allow shooting in some of the harshest conditions. The TG-7 continues this trend while making some improvements across the board. The TUF TG-7 features a fast aperture f2 lens over a 12 megapixel high-speed sensor with raw photographing capabilities. The body offers sealing through a double lock construction, keeping out dust, dirt, and water up to 50 feet. If you find yourself in a snowstorm, don't worry too much because the TUF is also freeze-proof down to -10 degrees Celsius and features double pane protective glass to help with fogging. If the TG-7 somehow manages to fall out of your pocket while out on an excursion, it does have incredible shock proofing up to a 7-foot drop and crush proofing up to 100 kilogram force. It's not just the durability that is impressive about the TG-7, it is also the capabilities. This camera really packs a punch with 4K video recording, 120 frames per second in HD video, 10 frames per second pro capture for photos, vertical shooting modes, and so much more. omsystem also has an incredibly valuable ecosystem for the TUF cameras, including the LG1 light guide, the FD1 flash diffuser, the T-Con T01 teleconverter, the F-Con T01 fisheye converter, the CLA T01 adapter, and more. The TUF TG-7 is clearly an adventure camera. Whether you're exploring the oceans, the mountains, the deserts, or more, you can rest easy knowing your camera can handle it all. Thanks so much for checking out this quick look video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an upload. Once again, my name is Josh, and if you have any other questions about the TUF TG-7 or anything else camera related, please be sure to give us a call, send us an email, reach out on one of our socials, or simply stop by one of our 8 stores located around New England.